Hello, in this video, I'll show you how to change the content maturity level on a Roblox account using parental controls. To get started, sign into the parent's Roblox account that manages your child's account. Once you're signed in, click the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen and select Settings. In the Settings menu, click Parental Controls. Scroll down until you find the Content Restrictions section. Click Content Maturity to view the available maturity settings. You'll now see several content maturity levels that you can choose from. Select the level that best matches what you want your child to access. The available options include minimum, mild, moderate, and restricted. Once you select a content maturity level, the changes will be applied to your child's Roblox account, and the account will only be able to access experiences that match the selected content rating. That's all you need to do. You've successfully changed the content maturity level on Roblox. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.